How to apply for Student Finance Wales. Easy step-by-step guide. Here is the step-by-step guide on how to apply for Student Finance Wales. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Residency. You must be a UK or EU citizen living in Wales. Course. Make sure the course you are applying for qualifies. Most full-time and part-time undergraduate courses do. Age. There is no upper age limit for tuition fee loans or grants, but for maintenance loans, the rules vary. Step 2. Create a student finance account. Visit the official Student Finance Wales website, studentfinancewales.co.uk. Choose the type of application based on whether you are a full-time or part-time student. If it is your first time, click on Create an Account and follow the instructions to set up your personal login details. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Make sure you have the following on hand: National Insurance Number, passport or other identification, bank details for receiving payments, household income details if applying for means-tested financial support. Step 4. Complete the online application. Log into your Student Finance Wales account. Select the Apply for Student Finance option and start filling in your personal and course details. Provide information about your household income if you are applying for maintenance loans or grants. Review your application carefully before submitting it. Step 5. Send in additional documentation if required. You might be asked to send proof of identity, such as a passport, birth certificate, or residency documentation. If your application is means-tested, you may need to send proof of your household income, such as tax documents or P60 forms. And before we proceed, in order for you not to send proof of your household income, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Wait for your application to be processed. Processing can take up to 6 weeks, so apply early to avoid delays. You will receive a notification of entitlement letter, which will tell you how much you are eligible to receive. Step 7. Sign and return the declaration form. After your application is processed, you will need to sign a declaration form to confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions of the loan or grant. This form can be sent digitally or by mail. Step 8. Receive your payments. Once enrolled, your tuition fees are paid directly to your university or college. Maintenance loan payments are usually split into 3 installments, paid directly to your bank account at the start of each term. Step 9. Reapply each year. You will need to submit a new application each academic year to continue receiving student finance. And there you have it. Applying for Student Finance Wales doesn't have to be a daunting journey. Step by step, you are getting closer to making your educational dreams come true. Remember, your education is an investment in yourself, and the resources are here to help you succeed. You've got this. Every step forward brings you closer to the future you have always imagined. Magic happens when you believe in your dreams and work towards them, one step at a time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to help you along your student journey. Let's create some magic together, and I will see you in the next video. Stay awesome, stay inspired, and keep chasing your dreams.